Speech on. Speech off.
Good morning. So, it is a Monday, August 30th, 2021. Came back from a walk. Gonna begin a new day today. So, gonna try something. Gonna show you guys how I make potato wedges in the microwave. Pretty easy. Not that hard. Gonna give it a try. So I got plenty of potatoes in the kitchen. They're already washed. So, gonna do that. And gonna demonstrate how I do it. Got plenty of potatoes from Costco. They are the baby potatoes. So, I'm gonna see you in the kitchen right after this. So, getting ready to head on over. I took care of pretty much everything I needed to do. And email is done. Took care of the chores. So, off to the kitchen we go. Alright, so, first things first. I am going to start by grabbing one plate. So how's everyone doing? Comment below. My Monday morning's going pretty well. Nothing new. Gonna be warm again. Gonna get the bag open. And get it out.
Speech on. Invite. But invite, comment, finish. Button. Speech off.
So, gonna set you guys down first. On the table. Need 2 hands to get the bag open. So, easy recipe. No stove required to make these potato wedges. They go well with meatloaf. I'm gonna demonstrate that today for this video. So, if you wanna try this, highly recommend you do. So when you buy them at Costco, quick tip, they are already washed, so you don't have to wash them. And it'll make your life a lot easier if you don't really have time to wash potatoes. I like to buy them already washed, so that's what I'm gonna use. So, got 2 plates. One will be for cutting, and the other one will be where I put the potatoes that are cooked. So first, got the plate, starting out with 3 potatoes. If I can focus properly. There we go. So, gonna cut the potatoes in half first. And then I'm gonna cut them into wedges. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm picking an area, mainly in the middle. Moving my knife back and forth. And flat side down on the plate. So I'm gonna cut the potato into wedges. I'm gonna cut it again. So flat sides on the plate. Pick an area, I pick the middle. I'm gonna go down. Perfect. I have my napkin. I'm gonna put the potatoes on top. And I'm gonna take the second half of the first potato. Cut it in half again. So they don't have to be too perfect. Sometimes mine's come out too thin, but who cares? No one else is gonna eat it. And then put the wedges on the napkin. So once I cut the potato in half, flat side down on the plate, and then I cut again. And if you guys try this and they come out a little too thin, don't worry about it. You're gonna be eating it anyway. Second potato, same thing. I'm gonna cut it in half. So using 3 potatoes. So in total, I'm actually gonna count them here on the napkin. Got 3, 4, 6, 7. Last potato. Gonna cut it in half again. And actually, I have one more half I forgot. Gonna cut that in half. Gonna do a recount for you guys. So I got 2 and 4, 6, 8. 8 potatoes on a napkin. Found my half. I'm gonna cut it in half. $10. So 3 potatoes make 12 potato wedges. So to avoid cross-contamination, got 2 plates. And first things first, I am going to open the microwave. So I got my potato slices. Take out the food cover. Gonna set that down. I'll put it on top of the pita bread. Gonna move the dirty plate out of the way. And here are the slices. And I'm gonna carefully pick up the napkin. Need both hands for this. And put it in the microwave. Alright, so for the blind viewers, so I got the potatoes in here, but I'm turning them skin side down, so the open side is facing up. I am double checking, making sure I have enough space here, and I do. Perfect. I'm gonna close the microwave. And for anybody sighted, I have labels on the microwave. I'm gonna show that to you real quick. So, this goes to show you, you do not need sights to use your microwave. And I have a label for potato. I'm gonna hit that. And actually, hang on. I'm gonna hit it again. And start. So, I like to clear the microwave first. And then hit it. And I'll let those potatoes do their business in the microwave. So, let's chat for a minute. Yesterday, neighbors came over to bring some stuff. I did a fruit salad with some blueberries in it and some pineapple, and used vanilla yogurt. Some people like to use granola. You can add those in. But comment below. Do you like to make a fruit salad when you're hungry? If you do, what do you like to add to it? Strawberries, some pineapple, or cherries? So they are still kind of hard. You can tell by the texture. They don't feel like soft. I'm gonna do 2 minutes. Potato texture still kind of hard. So I'm gonna do 2 minutes and then check on them. You don't want them to burn in the microwave. So it's always good to stay right by the microwave. Doing it 2 minutes. You can hear it kind of steaming. So it's much easier to cut them up and then put them in. Some people like to bake their potatoes whole. I don't do that very often, depending. But I like to cut them up and then put them in. Tastes better. The inside gets cooked quicker, and you don't really have to make holes in it with a fork. But to each his own. If you like to do stuffed baked potato, you can always poke holes in a baked potato after you wash it, and then put it in the microwave, let it cook, check on it. If it's still kind of hard, you do your 2 minutes. Pretty straightforward. So, any plans for the Monday? I'm going to be doing some art projects, couple paintings. I don't know of what yet, but I will figure that out. Afternoon, haven't really thought of what I'll be doing, but I'm gonna go for a walk, enjoy the nice weather. Yesterday, pretty warm. Today, be in the 80s, 86. So, not bad. Got a new AC unit. The other one didn't work anymore, but got a brand new one. And the new one, you just have to push a button. So double checking the texture. And if they feel squishy, yes they do, they are done. I'm gonna point the camera at it so I can have you guys who can take a peek. And there they are. So potatoes are done. I'm gonna set you guys down again so I can take care of everything. Alright, so first batch of potatoes are done. Texture feels good. Nothing's burnt. And this is it. Finished product. And that's how you make baked potato wedges in the microwave. If you guys want me to do any more potato recipes, comment below. If you want me to do any other technology videos, comment below. So, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Follow me on YouTube, Louise Arellano. And if you have any questions about doing potato wedges, or if you want to learn how to make anything else, like omelet or fruit salad, comment below. And until next time.
Speech on. Invite. Comment. Finish. Button.